Exercise 9.3 problem 8 solution. Construct a cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. Given PQ is 5 cm, QR is 4 cm, angle QPR is 35 degrees and angle PRS is 70 degrees. So as I've told you earlier, for a cyclic quadrilateral you need to have 4 measurements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, so you will be able to draw it. So let's draw, as usual, let's draw a rough diagram. How will you draw a rough diagram? Draw a circle and plot points or mark points PQRS. Okay, don't worry too much about it. Put it randomly at the best possible guess point actually. Okay, guess it and put it over there. Now let's draw. PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay, and then we are telling QPR is 35 degrees. QPR is 35 degrees and QR is 4 centimeter. So R is pointed in two directions, by this line as well as by this line. So what you have to do, first draw a line, extend this line. Okay, draw a line PX at an angle 35 degrees to PQ. Okay, then with Q as a center and radius of 4 centimeter, draw an arc cutting this line PX, and that point is R. Okay, join PR and QR. So now we have two sides and 3 points, PQR, and two sides PQ and QR. Draw a perpendicular bisector of PQ, draw a perpendicular bisector of QR. They will intersect at a point O with O as a center, OP or OQ or OR as a radius. All three will be equal. Draw this circle. Okay. Now we need to find only the fourth point, which is S. But what do they say about S? They have we have used this. We have used QR, we have used this one. The last one which needs to be used is angle PRS is 70 degrees, right? So angle PR, yes. So draw a line RY. Okay, just extend this little bit. Okay, draw a line RY at an angle of 70 degrees to PR, or draw angle PRY at 70 degrees and let that be Y. So this line RY intersects the circle at a particular point, and that point is S. So it intersects here and that point is S. Now we have the fourth point also. So next we have to join PS and RS, and PQRS is the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So what I suggest is pause the video here and try to do the construction on your own, and then come back and check your construction against us. Okay, now we have the fair diagram. So first step is draw a line PQ of length 5 centimeter. Okay. Next we have to draw a line, okay, PX, which is at an angle of 35 degrees. This angle is 35 degrees. Okay. Okay, now let's draw a line PX at an angle 35 degrees to PQ, or angle QPX is 35 degrees. Now, what is the next point? The next, they say QR is 4 centimeter. So with Q as a center and radius of 4 centimeter, draw an arc cutting this PX, and that is R. That point is R. Okay, and join QR, and PR is already done, right? Okay, let me repeat. So first you are drawing this line PX at an angle of 35 degrees. Then with Q as a center and the radius of 4 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the line PX, and that point is R. Join PR. Now we have 3 points PQR as well as two sides PQ and QR. So you'll have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ and the perpendicular bisector of PR. Okay, how to do the perpendicular bisector? Take a radius which is more than half the length of PQ. So 5, half of it is 2.5. So let us take 3 centimeter as radius. So with P as a center and radius of 3 centimeter, draw one arc above P and below P. And with Q as a center and with the same radius of 3 centimeter, draw an arc below P, below Q and above Q. So these intersecting points are there. The two arcs intersect each other at these 2 points. Join these 2 points, and that is your perpendicular bisector of PQ. Similarly, do the same for the QR also. And these two bisectors intersect at one particular point, and that is O. So with O, this is O. Okay, it's little crowded over here. Okay, with O as a center and OP as a radius, or OQ or OR, all three are equal. Draw a circle. Now we know S is is a point on this circle, right? It is somewhere here. But we know angle PQPR, okay, PRS is on the PRS is 70 degrees. So draw a line RY at an angle of 70 degrees to PR. So this is a line, draw a line RY such that it makes an angle 70 degrees with PR. And this line intersects the circle at one point, and this point is S. Now join PS, and the required PQRS is the required quadrilateral. You got it? It's quite simple, right? So now let's go through the construction. As usual, draw a rough diagram and mark the measurements. Draw the line segment PQ, which is of length 5 cm. This is the first step. Then from P, draw PX such that QPX equal to 35. So draw a line PX at an angle of 35 degrees. Then with Q as a center and radius of 4 cm, draw an arc intersecting PX at R. Join QR. So with Q as a center and the radius of 4 cm, draw an arc cutting PX, and that is point R. So join QR. Then draw a perpendicular bisector of PQ and QR and to intersect at O. So you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of PQ and QR. They both intersect at this point, which is O. Then with O as a center and OP or OQ or OR, all three are equal, as radius, draw the circumcircle of triangle PQR. So with O as a center and OP as a radius, draw the circle which encloses the triangle PQR, or circumscribes the circumcircle of the circumscribes the triangle PQR. Then from C, draw CY such that angle PRY is 70 degrees, which intersects the circumcircle at S. So from C, actually, so it's not from C. It is actually from R. It's a mistake. Okay. From R, draw a line, draw an angle PRY, which is 70 degrees, or draw a line RY, which is an angle at an angle of 70 degrees with PR. And this will cut the circumcircle at a point S. Then what does it say? Join PS. Join PS. And PQRS is the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So I hope it's clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.